What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mass Market. Thank you very much for tuning in. If I could, please ask that you smash the like button right now. Help us get the algorithm up, get some more people in here. Thank you very much for showing up tonight, guys. What's up, Invu? We got Mr. Ryan Sherlock in the house. KC, what's happening, man? Good to see you in the chat, man. I haven't seen you in quite some time. Hope you're hanging in there, my dude. What's up, Mr. Rick? Mr. Slick Rick. We got OMG Crypto Critter in the house. Good to see you, my man. The Litecoin Maxi. None other than Mr. Clown Baby. What's happening, my dude? Give everybody a few minutes to hop in here, and then we'll be rocking. How about today, man? Today was freaking crazy. Bitcoin touching 63,000. That is, what a day. I know Webull shows it as 62,924. Some other platforms were actually reporting 63. Beautiful, beautiful day. Look at this 1 hour chart on Bitcoin. That's just beautiful right there. No reason to think it's done yet. No reason whatsoever. What's up, man? I don't want to pronounce your name wrong. I never get it right. Nieller? I'm trying, man. BITF and HUT. You're right, HUT was up quite a bit today. We're going to go over crypto mining stocks. Clown Baby, are you still red in BITF, man? I got to know. After today, I have to know. OMG, did you see New Cypher? When I saw it last, it was up 276%. I'll pull it up here in a few minutes. NKN plus 66%. How about Polkadot? Polkadot moved a little bit tonight, or today, should I say. Avalanche up 1.26%. I think Dot's up 10%, 9% right now, 44 bucks. Sitting pretty freaking nice right now, guys. Rick says I hit NKN today. It's okay, not an easy one to say. I'll just call you my boy Nee. My boy Nee. Give it up for Nee, everybody. Yeah, still down a little way up on that HUT though. Hey, that's what's up, my man. We love us some HUT over here at Mass Market, man. Why can't Doge moon when Bitcoin was this high? Doge was much higher. XRP too. I understand that, man. Right now, Mr. Ryan Sherlock, Bitcoin's gonna have to run its little cycle right here. It's gonna find the top, consolidate, hold its ground, and then the altcoins are all going to start to move up from here. Happened same time, same thing happened earlier in the year when Bitcoin was hanging around 60K. Doge started to fly up, man. It is coming, my friend. Doge up 2.41% on the day. How about ADA? Look at ADA, making some moves today, up 2.54%. Bitcoin top gain, one of the top gainers of the day. Not too often you get to see that on your charts. Dot 10%, looking really nice, guys. Litecoin 190. Where's my Litecoin maxi at, man? All-time high is not far, man. And I think this week, possibly this weekend, we'll be busting through that all-time high. I think next week's gonna be absolutely it's gonna be crazy. It's about to heat up, man. We've been talking about this for a long time. It is about to freaking heat up. Doge always lags behind and then rips like crazy. That's what we're waiting for, my man. Let's see what's going on. We're about to get rocking. Click back to this chart right here. What's up, Josh? How you doing, my friend? Hopefully you're having a good day today, or good night, should I say. Appreciate that, baby. $62,924, the high on Webull, man. That is absolutely insane. Give everybody a few minutes and then we'll get to rocking, man. Not trying to overdo it, but I like, oh yeah, man. It's nothing but love, man. Nothing but love. Hey, did y'all see Upshot's back? He has a live stream going right now. The man is back. Cedric Norman. Coming in hot, insane day. First of all, Cedric Norman, thank you for being a channel member, man. Really appreciate it. Ryan Sherlock says, I'm up with Bitcoin. Do I sell or hold? Man, honestly, I think Bitcoin's about to break some all-time highs here, getting the 70,000 range, man. If I personally was holding a good stake in Bitcoin, I would not be selling, my friend. That's not too bad. I think you could wait, man. I think Doge is about to rip here. Just bought into NKN looking for the bounce. Long term, Bitcoin is a winner. Yeah, as of right now, man, I'd be holding Bitcoin. From what we're seeing it do, there's no reason not to believe it's about to break this all-time high right here. No reason at all. Imbu says, I bloody said it on the Discord about CHR, Matic, and Litecoin. That's why I was all in. CHR is a hitting. I'm not gonna say that word, but you can read it. Hell yeah, Imbu. Thanks for dropping them plays in the Discord for me, man. For all of us. I have been loading up on Litecoin. Matic was absolutely ripping today. Up 20%, guys. That is a crazy day for Matic. Look at that 1 hour chart on Bitcoin. Looks absolutely beautiful. Nothing to worry about. Even the 1 minute starting to turn around. We were on the 1 minute chart starting to have a slight descending level of support right here. But we're bouncing up, starting to retest some of these highs back here. OMG, that's not too far-fetched. I would say that's about accurate. I can see 350 this year. Ryan Sherlock says, I'm excited about XRP if 20% of those rumors come true. I'll be a very happy man. I think you'll be a very happy man this year, my friend. But other great news, guys. Let me pull this up. So the SEC is set to allow Bitcoin future ETFs to begin trading. Here's what investors should know. In a massive victory for the cryptocurrency industry, the SEC Commission is set to let the first U.S. Bitcoin's future exchange fund start trading next week. That is huge news. Really, really huge news. Probably what's leading up to this pump right here. But that's just the beginning of it, guys. Sources familiar with the matter told CNBC that the SEC is likely to block the futures-based Bitcoin ETF proposal by ProShares and Investico after the news spread. The price Bitcoin surged above 60K. So if you're interested in investing, financial experts recommend understanding the potential risk surrounding a futures-based Bitcoin ETF before parting with your money. Here's what to consider. The price of the ETF won't be pegged to actual Bitcoin. It will be pegged to companies that are actually having it on their balance sheet, which we talked about that the past couple nights. A futures-based ETF tracks contracts rather than Bitcoin ETF would track Bitcoin futures contracts, not the price of Bitcoin itself. Therefore, the price of the ETF will not match the price of Bitcoin. Now, a true Bitcoin ETF would match the price of physical Bitcoin, which would then skyrocket Bitcoin to another atmosphere, which will happen eventually, but I'll take this. This is freaking awesome news as early as next week. So I'm expecting pretty nice pumps. That's why, like I say, Ryan, if you're holding your Bitcoin, man, I'd be hanging on to that super tight right now, my friend. I think Bitcoin's gearing up to do some pretty amazing things, man. Other news, Jack Dorsey says Square is considering building a Bitcoin mining system. Square is considering building a Bitcoin mining system based on custom Silicon Valley and open source for individuals and businessmen worldwide, Dorsey wrote in a Twitter thread. He added that such a project would allow a similar approach as the Bitcoin hardware wallet Square began working on earlier this summer, but building a mining system that would considerably more complicated for the payment companies than simply building a wallet. Creating custom chips is, as Dorsey points out, very expensive and would be a new territory for the payment companies, which has been a major supporter of Bitcoin. Mining needs to be more efficient. Driving towards clean and efficient energy use is great for Bitcoin's economics. Energy is a system level problem that requires innovation and integration. I skipped over a paragraph right there because it was some BS. But that's some pretty good news. Having Jack Dorsey and Square build a Bitcoin mining system. We saw El Salvador's looking into mining Bitcoin with volcanoes. So they're trying out there. They are trying, my friends. Ryan says how high they say that XRP will go. The rumors, I'm hearing $10, and I'm also hearing even higher than that, somewhere around $20. Those are rumors. It's all speculation, but I feel pretty good at seeing around $10 on XRP this year. Matt M says I got one Bitcoin at 29K all day. SKL plus 35%. Hell yeah, OMG. Bomb Baby says when I sell my BT on the next rip, I'm putting it into Bitcoin or Ethereum. Either one's pretty hot right now, in my opinion, man. When Bitcoin is running, I always put buy Mar on Fridays. Bitcoin. What did it do today? Let's check out what it did. Mara up 12%. Not bad, my friend. Not bad. You know what's even better? Some Hut 8 mining, baby. 15.72%, my friend. Matt, do not sleep. Matt M, do not sleep on the Hut, man. The Hut was rocking today. But I'm glad you made some really good tendies on Mar. Let's check out where Riot's at. That's not it. Right, not a big mover for the day. Made a bunch of money this week. Awesome, man. I'm super happy for you. BITF. Bitfarms, everybody. Up 7% on the day. Up 3% after hours, dude. Congrats, clown, baby. Glad that's doing good for you. BTBT. Up 4% on the day. Not too shabby, man. Crypto mining stocks. Definitely some good plays this week. Let's throw XRP, see where that ended up. 114 on the day. Not too bad, guys. Not too freaking bad. Q pasta. The Q pasta's in the house. Clown says don't sleep on BITF. Hey, Dot was ripping. L snap. Just talking about Dot a few minutes ago. Dot is up. Well, it was up 9%. I saw it as high as 10%. One of the big movers of the day. Always a good time to see Bitcoin top movers of the day too as well. Ethereum is next. Yep, I totally agree, man. You'll start seeing Ethereum bust 4K. Pumptober's here, guys. It is happening right now. K-pasta. K-pasta. Not the M-pasta. Bitcoin's starting to move a little bit right here. Let's see what's happening. Right back on track off that 1 minute chart. Breaking those highs from that downward trend we were in. Could really start moving right here. 61,790. Let's see what happens. Matt, do you remember when I dropped a special crypto for the stream? It was doo-doo. Which one which play you're talking to, man? Talking about? Yeah, I'd like to see Doge rip too this weekend, man. Let's let Bitcoin finish running its course right here. Stabilize and watch all the altcoins across the whole market start to rip up. What's up, Adam E? Good to see you, my friend. The Kentucky Wildcat in the chat. So Doge right here, pretty big consolidation off the 1 minute chart. Pretty much setting some higher lows and lower highs right here. Looking for a breakout to the upside, which we probably will get the way Bitcoin's moving right here. So right now we're just trying to get back over 24 cents. I know it's pretty stagnant, guys, but when Dogecoin goes to rip, it's absolutely going to do its thing. I think you'll be seeing some levels that we saw back in earlier beginning of the year. Let's see. Where is it? Pull this up real quick. Somebody put an article, three crypto buys instead of Dogecoin. Let's see what they're talking about. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. Yeah, sure, they're great plays, but I'm loading up on some more Doge right now. ADA's looking pretty hot, but I'm loading up on some Doge. Baby says let's break that 24 on the stream. Like to see a break to the upside. Bitcoin moving right here. Doge just staying pretty stagnant right now. I lost 8K on PROG this week. Oh, that sucks, man. Sorry to hear that, Matt M. BTC, LTC, Ethereum, and Doge. Pretty good portfolio right there, man. For a couple streams, I was 1 for 1. It went for $2. It's gonna drop 2 gifts for the boys waiting for confirmations. Hell yeah, my friend. GREE. I heard a bunch of people talking about that today. Come on. Had a nice little pump that started around 2 o'clock my time. Started ripping. Up 7% on a day. Let's see what we got. Broke this top right here. I think your next real level, you might be sitting on it. 25 cents. If you're holding this, I'd be looking for a rejection right there as a possible sell point. 25. Oh, come on. Come on. $25, and then you got pretty decent support around 24 where you're sitting. Other than that, I would look for 23.75. So 24 on the way down, and then 23.75. I would set a stop loss around 23.75 if you're in this right now. Even 23.70, somewhere within that range. Made 10K on AMC this week. Dude, you rocking with the dough, my man. Doge. That's the 5-minute chart for Doge. Looking absolutely beautiful. Hit a high at 24.49 today. Got rejected. With everything else, Bitcoin really starting to move right here. Leave that up. That is the 1-minute chart on Bitcoin, guys. Really starting to move. Doge staying pretty stagnant. Litecoin 191. Looking pretty good right now. Let's see. Ethereum didn't quite break that 39 what we were hoping for, but I'm sure it came pretty freaking close. Let's check out Ethereum for the day. It did hit 39. Didn't hold it though. Probably working its way back to it. Another good one to play, Ethereum Classic, man. I do like Ethereum Classic. So as of right now on Bitcoin, pretty major support at 60,000 right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this. Pretty good level of support right there at 60,000. So we'll hope for that, and then we'll break that top at 63 as a potential breakout for it. You break 63. I'm OCD, guys. If you get that break above 63, you'll break the all-time high, or at least go to retest it. I think that's coming pretty quick. AMC plus crypto. In fact, pretty much my crypto stocks are only stocks for me that are doing decent. Hell yeah, L Snap. That's it right now. My crypto is definitely outperforming my stocks. That's always good to hear, man. Hopefully you got a lot, pretty good amount invested in the crypto market right now. Things are about to get spicy, my friend. Inbu says AKRO buying price of 30 cents to 34. I'm gonna buy with a stop loss at 29. Appreciate the update, man. I'll keep that on my radar. How's the bluegrass state doing? Some people consider Kentucky the bluegrass, but Louisiana is doing great, man. We're all good in the hood. About 15K invested. I'm up about 8K. Oh, you're doing wonderful, my friend. You're doing damn good. If you're holding Shiba, I understand you're paying 25 right here. I think you'll probably bounce back to around 2.3 to 3.3, somewhere around that range. So if I look to buy back in, I will be hitting it up. MIA coming in hot with a $5 super chat. Thank you very much, MIA, man. If y'all gonna be on for a little bit, I might come hit it up with y'all, man. I wanted to, but I had to come on here and touch base with everybody, being that Bitcoin was absolutely doing its thing today. Thank you, MIA. Thank you for showing some love, man. Much love, man. I heard you say Kentucky. Kentucky. Oh, man. I'm still somehow green on my sheep. Bought my last chunk right around the 3s, I think. Oh, so you averaged up and you still sitting green? That's what's up, my man. I'm looking for a bounce around 2.3 something right there. That's when I think Shiba's gonna start to bounce back. I've been swing trading between 2.3 and 3.000 for the past couple weeks now. So I've been hearing lots of talks today. Look, Doge should be 50 cents with Bitcoin at 61K. Look, man, I understand last time Bitcoin was trading at these levels, Dogecoin was significantly higher. But guys, it is coming. Let Bitcoin finish running this route. Probably going to go parabolic next week, especially with the ETF. I'm thinking some point next week, altcoins will start playing catch up, possibly in the next weekend. Things are heating up right here. This bull run continuation is in full force right here. It is about to heat up. Things are about to get very, very hot right here. I just, given a timeline of when Doge is going to rip, it's really hard to do. It's really hard to judge because we don't know what Bitcoin's about to do. Honestly, I can tell you what I think. It's going to get a retest of all-time high, possibly get rejected, consolidate, and bust through it at some point between now and next week, especially with the news of the ETF being approved. And they'll start trading it next week. A lot of investment money is going to be pumping into all these companies holding Bitcoin on its balance sheet, possibly giving them the opportunities to invest that money into Bitcoin. So, man, this is about to get crazy. I'm telling y'all. I am telling you. Awesome, man. You the man. We'll be there for a bit. Yeah, man. If y'all still playing, I will definitely come join y'all, man. Anyone invested in the Polkadot? No, but Polkadot is a very good play, my friend. I don't have any DOT, but I could tell you that thing is absolutely going to run. I got my pretty much my portfolio in different plays right now, man. But DOT is definitely a solid play for the year, man. XRP. $1.14 on XRP. $1.90 on Litecoin. Clown baby, it's definitely heating up. Every time I buy Litecoin, as of recent, I'm up on it, so I'm happy with it. Happy. By the way, Bitcoin looking healthier. Bitcoin had been at 55.60 for weeks / months last time Doge ripped. That's what I'm saying, Clown baby. It's gonna take it some time, man. Let Bitcoin run its route. It's gonna consolidate, find some stability, possibly a lot higher than where it's sitting. And then the altcoins are really gonna start to move. You'll see Ethereum start to bust some pretty highs, and then you'll see Doge, ADA, the rest of the altcoins really, really moving. What's up, One Shot GT? Welcome to the chat, my friend. When the trend breaks, sell. I don't know, my friend. You are right, but I think it's gonna hold up, man. This is some massive sideways trading right here. Yeah, we hit that peak and came down, but so what that can tell you right there is you got major resistance at 63, but that break above 63 is gonna do some pretty major things right there. Every time you break in these big levels, you're busting through them. Let me show you on the 30-minute chart. So you came here, bust through here, came through, bust through, traded all sideways for about 2 or 3 days here, bust through that level of resistance, moved up, traded sideways for a day, busted through, didn't quite bust through right here, got rejected. Now we're trading sideways. Every bit of this TA I could do on this chart right here would tell you that we're about to bust through possibly tomorrow, guys. We could possibly be staring at Bitcoin above 63 tomorrow if this trend continues. Now, breakdown, we'd also see a retest of 60K. So be aware of that. 60K to 59, 58 could still be a reality for a healthy pullback. So definitely have that in mind. Bitcoin to 200K. It can happen, man. It can definitely happen. 2 months sideways. It's major consolidation. Matt M, dude, it is possible you could be looking at 70K next week, my friend. I'm not trying to be a hype man. I'm not trying to, throw out some erratic stuff. But dude, you sitting at 61. You hit 63 today. You only, 7,000 off from where we were today. I think you'll see 70K next week, man. I think it's going to continue to rip. Bitcoin, it's the bull season, man. The bulls are back in control. ETFs getting released. They're going to start trading it. Things are going to heat up, man. I think we're going to have trouble getting over that all-time high, which, let's go back to the 4-hour chart. Get back over here. $64,900. Oh, we gonna break that, man. We are gonna smash through that. I really do believe it. Let's see if we can analyze some of that from way back when. So pretty much same pattern. Had a big pullback when you got up to 59. But you also hit that 61 right here, traded sideways for about a month before you hit the all-time high. And that's when Doge and all the altcoins started to rip. After you traded sideways for, a little ascending level of support. But this area right here, which led to all the altcoins absolutely ripping, guys. So it's looking pretty similar, but I do think it's going to break through, do another rip, and then look to have a little ascending level of support and consolidate for the next month and possibly month and a half. So we'll have to see what happens. Charts look freaking awesome, my friend. I'd probably sell half at 70K. If I had one Bitcoin, man, at 29K, I'd be holding it. I love flying sideways. That's it, my man. Charts do look freaking great, man. They sure do, man. Our investments are about to pay off big time, guys. XRP is gonna rip. Litecoin's gonna everything at the top of this bar right here. I think it's gonna go absolutely parabolic here within the next month. Have you guys noticed most of the bears slightly fading away? This is definitely not a bear market, not a time to be shorting the market. They're probably riding this train up right now. Yep, they sure did, man. They kept preaching 20K. Came close. I mean, came close. 26 came damn close. But they were calling for it again. We were trading sideways for all this time. They weren't expecting this pump. They thought the bear market was here. and they're getting annihilated right now. They were only wrong by 40-ish K. That's a big wrong level, man. Guys, let me go refill my cup. I forgot to refill my water right before I started this. Give me a few seconds. I'll be right back. Alright guys, sorry about that. I'm not gonna lie, man. After last night, I'm freaking beat down, man. I stayed up way too late last night, being I had work in the morning. But that was so much fun, man. Watching Bitcoin touch 60K last night and then seeing what it did today. Absolutely beautiful, man. Yeah, I think Ethereum will be next, man. Just let Bitcoin, we'll let Bitcoin finish doing what it's doing. Ethereum's creeping up with it, not quite as much, but seeing it hit 3,900 today. Super bullish, man. Really is. One Shot says last chance to buy Ethereum under 4K. Only reason I'd sell 70K is to put more in the Doge. Yeah, man. Hey, Doge is super cheap, man. It really is right now. 23 cents, dude. Bang for your buck, man. Clown, baby. Litecoin to 1K. You'll see it one day. Yeah, I'm feeling it today, but it's Friday night. Yeah, last night was rough, man. It was so much fun watching Bitcoin do its thing, though, man. It really freaking was, man. I'm not even drinking tonight because, man, last night tore me up. Tore me up. It's Friday. One Shot GT. One Shot GT. One Shot. Thank you very much for that $5 super sticker, my friend. Appreciate the love, man. Appreciate the love. Ethereum's gonna rip here. Getting that bounce right here, man. Off that 200 exponential, off the 5-minute chart. Let's keep Ethereum up there real quick and put Bitcoin right here on the left. See what happens. One Shot GT. One Shot GT. One Shot. Coming in hot with another $5, $10, I'm sorry, super sticker. One Shot, man. I can't wait till XRP starts ripping, dude. We're gonna be sitting on some pretty nice tendies this year, my friend. NQ, when will Bitcoin bounce? I think it's doing pretty damn good right now, man. Ethereum creating cup and handle, looking for 9.1K. Long term speaking, though. Let's see what you're talking about. There you go, off the day chart right here. Cup and handle forming, about to rip past these freaking all-time highs right here, 4,383. Have it on your mind, guys. One Shot might be onto something, man. Might be the last time you can buy underneath 4,000. Look at the day chart on Bitcoin. Looking the same. Yeah, we're about to bust them all-time highs, guys. I think we're about to smash them. Even on the way down, you got remember, you got the 200 exponential moving average. You got pretty good support at 60,810 bucks. So if we would see a little dip to the downside, you'd bounce off of that, but it's looking pretty good right here. I think you ascend possibly for a retest of 63,000 up here. I sank 5 more Ethereum today. Could treat you well, man. That could be very well. for your portfolio, my friend. All those golden crosses on 4 different cryptos. Let's go to 4 hour. Dude, you got that golden cross on Bitcoin. Look on Ethereum. That was at 3,200. We were talking about it the other night. And look what happened, dude. That's why them golden crosses are so important, Clown Baby. I know you know it, but this is perfect example. When we talked about them golden crosses, I mean, you could have picked some up for 3,200 right there and made a pretty good bang for your buck. Let's go to Bitcoin. Golden cross. I mean, dude, that's just pictured perfect to show you how bullish the golden crosses really are on the time frames. So, yeah, it's across the board, man. The Bears are no longer with us. Rest in peace to the Bears. They're gone. What did I tell you when he admitted to inflation? Yeah, man. I think inflation is good for cryptocurrency, man. 100%. But that Bitcoin ETF stuff, they're going to start trading next week, is extremely important for Bitcoin, man. Really, really important. I think that's why you're seeing these rips to, you know, possibly these all-time highs we're about to touch right here, man. Let me put the other screen back up. The pump is mostly from the futures ETF approval. I would agree, man, but that doesn't mean we're gonna come crashing back down. I think that's just the start of getting Bitcoin pumping. Remember, we still got Tesla, Elon Musk hopping in the mix any day now. But here's my theory about it. Why do it right now? Bitcoin's doing this thing by itself. Let it reach, you know, the peak wherever we're gonna hit right here. Consolidate for a little bit. Let the altcoins catch up. Bring the whole market up. And then when it looks like things are stalling out, boom, he comes from behind with the last blow, sending Bitcoin over 100K for the year. Could quite possibly happen. It is, Clown Baby. Most definitely, dude. It is 100% real. You fill up your car, it costs you more. You go to the grocery store, it costs you more, you get less. It's just, man, it's absolutely crazy right now. What's up, my boy Seth? Chili on the rise. That's one of my homeboys, man. Don't worry about him. Now you see, I know Mr. Seth personally, and I was telling him to buy these dips, guys. I don't think he wanted to hear no part of it. You'd have been sitting on some pretty fat tendies, my friend, if you'd have listened to me. So guys, definitely stuff heating up for next week. I think we'll see Bitcoin smash that all-time high. Looking for Doge to start making some moves. Let's get Doge back above 24 cents. I'm going to start feeling a lot more comfortable, but I am loading the boat right now on some Dogecoin. Even ADA right now. ADA's definitely a good buy at 222 right here. Yeah, you might be able to get a little bit cheaper, but things are starting to heat up, so I would definitely not be... I know a lot of people are worried, especially what happened last time. We were starting to make some pretty good moves up. The flash crash happened. That was kind of like a shakeout. And remember, we talked about that. A lot of people were saying this would quite possibly be the last fake out before it rips. And we're seeing it rip right now, so we shall see, my friends. I think a lot of people are curious why Bitcoin's at near an all-time high and the altcoins aren't moving. But that's just crypto, man. That's what it does. That's it, Seth. Scared money don't make no money. Should I get 200 more Doge or Shiba right now? Man, Me personally, if I was buying something, I'd be putting in Doge, man. While Shiba might bounce and go back to 3000, I think Doge is gonna make a pretty good move back to the 50 cent range sometime before October's end. So you'd be looking at, I think it's gonna move 100% by end of October. We'll see what happens, man. We shall see what happens. Let me see something real quick. So guys, how y'all feeling tonight? Y'all ready for Bitcoin to continue rocking? I know I am, man. Dogecoin will run with Ethereum. Yeah, because you know Ethereum always lags behind a little bit. It'll creep up a little bit with Bitcoin, but it will lag behind just a little bit. And yes, before it rips, it's going to start doing its thing, man. Infu saying Doge looking decent. I would have to agree, man. I think Doge is going to be the next pretty good mover. Oh, man. What's up, Shape? Let's go. Shape. One shot call on Dogecoin for sure. So guys, I'm not 100% tonight, as you can tell. I'm not feeling up to par. I'm telling you, last night wore my ass out, like, for real. I had a ton of fun, but I think I have work in the morning, so I'm not gonna be streaming too late tonight. I just wanted to come on and touch base because, you know, Bitcoin did hit 63 and it's seeing a pullback, but it's completely 100% healthy pullback. I know Shiba's down quite a bit right now. People are wondering what the hell is going on. People are, you know, swing trading the hell out of Shiba, you know. Will it hit all-time high? Quite possibly. I mean, you're looking at Shiba at some pretty good levels where Bitcoin's at $61,000. Let Bitcoin finish its little run right here, consolidate, find some pretty steady ground, and you're gonna see Doge move exponentially one day, possibly 10-20%. And things are gonna start to get really exciting in the markets, man. We just gotta give it a little bit of time. Litecoin moving up, Ethereum and Bitcoin looking pretty decent. ADA lagging behind, I understand. That is one of the top 5 cryptos. But it'll have its day. It sure will, man. And when it does, we're all gonna profit off these tendies, my friends. Yeah, I kept Matt up late. Sorry, my man. It's all good, man. I was having fun, dude. I had a freaking blast last night hanging out with y'all, seeing Bitcoin finally touch 60K for what it felt like the first time in forever, dude, since May. So it's definitely worth it for me. And then seeing what it did today, I mean, that just reassures me that, you know, I'm not being overly concerned about, you know, buying altcoins at these levels right here. I feel pretty confident, you know, purchasing Dogecoin at 23 cents. I mean, that's super cheap, guys. If you remember, we were talking about dips from 40 to 50 down to, you know, when it hit 20, when it hit 16 cents, ran all the way back up. I mean, man, it's just, everything's looking great right now. I was considering dumping a chunk of my Doge these past couple weeks, but it's looking better now. A lot of people were, man. And I don't blame y'all, you know, because it's been pretty stale lately. It's been really stale, trading between 19 and 27 cents for the past couple weeks. It's nothing exciting going on, you know, but if you've been buying the dips on it and sitting tight, you're basically just sitting in a rocket waiting to go to the moon, my friends. That's what it boils down to. Let's see this real quick. I didn't mean to hit the air horn. Didn't mean to do that. one more news piece to go over. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, not to mention October 27th on Ethereum. I mean, dude, y'all might be spot on what y'all said earlier. Last time to buy Ethereum under 4K. How long to the 27th? Week and a half? Let me see. Little bit over a week and a half. So you're gonna be seeing the update for Ethereum. Absolutely gonna be rocking, guys. That's gonna be great for Ethereum. That's why I'm predicting in October. I think Ethereum's gonna start moving. I think Bitcoin moves all of next week. I think we're gonna be smashing some all-time highs, and then toward the week, possibly next weekend, leading up to the October 27th update on Ethereum, then you're gonna start to see the altcoins really start to move. So, in my opinion, I could be wrong. This is my personal opinion. I think altcoins will start to move at some point mid next week to the weekend, and from that point on, I don't think you'll be seeing 23-cent Doge for long. Keep that in mind. I think you'll be seeing XRP back at 130. I think Doge will be somewhere in the 40-cent range. I think things are about to heat up. ADA, you'll start seeing 240 again, 260. And we'll be back making some pretty good tendies in the markets. Yep, moon very soon, dude. You already know it, man. But guys, I'm super burnt out. I still have some stuff to do behind the scenes. I gotta fix the FOMO commands. I still didn't do that. It's been so freaking much. But I do need to get some stuff done behind the scenes. I think so too, Clown Baby. I think we'll be having a great live stream tomorrow night, man. Second week in November. Matt M, that's what you're thinking on the altcoins or what, my man? Second week of November. Hey, historically, why October is good for crypto, November is even better. HC2 coming out of nowhere, swinging with that $9.99 super chat. Thank you very much for supporting the stream, man, for showing some love, dude. I really appreciate it, my man. How you doing, HC2? Were you excited as I was today about this pretty big rip on Bitcoin, my man? I was like, I couldn't wait to get off of work. I wish, I wish it was still ripping tonight. But it's getting set up. It's looking for a retest of that 63. It might happen tonight, man, to be honest with you. The way the charts are lining up, the way we got this little ascending level of support, setting some higher lows, and we got a little tiny wedge here on the 5-minute chart. But look at this 1 hour chart. Absolutely beautiful. Pops up, ascending level, trades sideways, pops up, little bull flag, ascending level, pops up, might bleed off a little bit, and then pop up again above that 63. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But RSI is still super hot, 64 right now. It can trade like that upper end of that RSI for, the remainder of October and November. It did that last time in the beginning of the year. So I'm not too concerned about the technical indicators. A lot of people say you can throw them out the window with what Bitcoin's about to do, and some of them are right. After we cross this threshold of 64.9, there's no telling where Bitcoin's gonna go. There's no freaking telling where we're gonna end up at. It could be 100,000, it could be 120,000, it could be 150,000, maybe even higher. There's no telling what's about to happen, especially with this ETF getting approved. I think next week's an awesome week for Bitcoin, and then so slightly after that, I think the altcoins will all start moving. Love that echo. Yeah, it's all good, man. No way Bitcoin is just getting started to go off. Yeah, I absolutely agree, man. Absolutely agree, one shot. I think it's gonna run for quite some time, man. I just don't know. We're in uncharted territory after we go up a couple more $1,000, and when we start breaking that, that's when stuff's gonna get really interesting, man. Next week is gonna be really fun week for crypto. we're all waiting on Doge, the ever so sideways trading Doge, to get its act together, and then you're gonna see everything heat up again. But guys, I just wanted to hop on tonight, touch base with everybody. Like I said, I'm feeling pretty down. I can't give y'all 100% tonight. I want to hop on for a few, touch base. Let everybody know what was going on in the market, especially with the big Bitcoin ETF getting approved. That's just, I can't say it enough, man. That's super major for Bitcoin and for cryptocurrency, man. That's a major win. We still got some more major wins this month. XRP lawsuit possibly coming up, and Ethereum upgrade on October 27th. So have that on your radars, guys. But I'm gonna go look to do some work behind the scenes, man, and I'm gonna get me some rest a little bit earlier tonight, being that I got work early in the morning. But I will be 100% tomorrow night. I'm gonna look to make some changes to the stream, and if y'all need me, I shall be in the Discord, guys. So once again, much love. Thank y'all for tuning in for another episode of Mass Market. I'm sorry it's short, but I need to catch up on some sleep, my friends. But much love. Let's see Bitcoin break that all-time high. Hopefully we'll be reporting on that tomorrow night by the time every time comes around again, my friends. So much love, guys. Really appreciate each and every one.